In problem 16, we're asked to solve, and solve means to get the letter by itself. So in this problem, we're going to start by drawing a line through the equal sign to separate each side of the equation, and we need to get it so that p's all by itself. So the first thing I notice here is that I have p's on either side of the equal sign. And when that's the case, what you want to do is you want to take one of these piles and you want to move it over to the other side so that we only have p's over here or we only have p's over here, but not both sides. And what I always recommend doing is taking whichever pile is smaller and make that the pile that you move. So -2 is a smaller pile than 9. So we're going to take this smaller pile and move it over this way. So the opposite of a -2p would be a +2p. So that's how we're going to move it. And so we're going to add 2p right here. We want it to go right here, so we're going to add 2p's right there as well on the other side. So let's see what we're left with. On this side, these p's cancel out. So the only thing we're left with over here is 7. And on this side, we have 9p plus 2 more. So that's 11 p's. And then there's also still that -4 right there. So -4. Okay, so now we want to get p by itself still. And we are a little closer because now we only have p's on this side. So now for p to be by itself, this 11 is going to have to go over here. And this -4 is also going to have to go over here. Then p will be all by itself. The 11 is connected to the p. And the -4 is not connected. And there's kind of a rule that says that you must move the one that's not connected first. So first we're going to move the -4 over to this side, and then later we'll move that 11. So the opposite of a -4 would be to add 4. So we'll move that by adding 4 to each side. So on the left side, we're left with 7 plus 4, which is 11. And on this side of the equation, these 4's cancel out, and the only thing we're left with is 11 times p, so 11p. All right, so we are real close to having p by itself now. So if we move this over there, we'll be done. So this is 11 times p, and you move things by doing the opposite. So the opposite of timesing would be to divide. So if I go divide by 11, then when I rewrite it, the only thing left over here is p. And then on this side, we have 11 divided by 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So p equals 1, and we have solved for p. Awesome.